Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com, where we will be discussing question. Which hygiene claim is supported by research? Option A. Regular professional teeth cleaning improves dental health. Option B. Brushing with a fluoride toothpaste helps prevent cavities. Option C. There are no benefits to hand washing. Option D. Antibacterial soap prevents disease better than regular hand soap. The correct answer of the question, option B. Brushing with a fluoride toothpaste helps prevent cavities. This claim is supported by research and dental health recommendations. Fluoride is known to strengthen tooth enamel, making it more resistant to disease and cavities. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.